from Kurznosh. It's a tool bag. Comes nicely packaged. We're going to show you what it's about. This is the color green and black for all your tools. So let's open this bad boy up, show you how big it is and what you can put inside and all that good stuff. It's got here some rubber feet that you simply lay down on the table. You can see it's nice and flat when you get it. And when you start to open things up, it's got a nice heavy zipper on the top with a carrying strap, shoulder strap, as well as a little case so you can put little things in to the side in there, as you can see. Very little assemblies required. You got metal hooks that simply snap on. Put your tools on, breathable little shoulder pouch to rest on, and you're ready to go. No more tools laying around. You got a tape measure. You want to put the tape measure on the side and hook it up like so with your hook, you can do so. Or simply just place it in the side in the pouch so you know where your tape measure's at. You got a drill that could go here if you had a hook that locks down into place or placed inside. You have your knife. Fold your knife up. Put it into an area that you want to hold it into place, as well as your scissors as here you could put in. Or put it to the other side into the actual little pouches that they have holding things in and keeping things closed. If you have a light, you want to carry a light as well, stick it in. So what we're going to go do now is put some other tools in and show you what it is. Automobile. So if you want to do some automobile stuff, you got your oil wrenches, you got your filters you could put in, and you got your other little things, tapes and other filters and supplies you can hold as well. So I got some work to be done, and I got my tools here in the bag. Hang up lights, my wires and everything. And I'm going to take out the things I need to do the job in the bag. It can hold my cable, my power supply, my drill, my tape measure, as you can see, a pair of pliers, pin nose, a little wrench and hammer, and all that good stuff, and I'm ready to go. And when I'm all done, I can simply put everything back where they can go. They got little side slots where everything fits in there, and nice and neat. Put my screws in. I got a little leftover screws, and I got these little cases that I could put little things in if I wanted to and close up. And there you go, put everything back in, and I'm ready for my next little job. If it's automobile, electronics, or just taking anything along imaginable. This has a metal wire on the sides so they can close up nicely. You can fit a lot of things in, zipper it closed, and off you go. You have a reflective coating on here so it shines at nighttime, and you can put anything in there. Your wallet, your cell phone, your tools, your pouches, and whatnot. You're ready to go with your bag. So if you're looking for a 16-inch tool bag for automobiles, hardware, carpentry, and more, going fishing, being the RV, just having those tools in the pouch, in the bag, in the slots for your needs. The tool bag may be something that you are looking for in your tool bag accessories. Enjoy your tool bag if this is right for you.